Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Tigner Adventures. This is another day at QUARTZSITE RV tent, and we are actually working the day. So we're work campers today, and it is cold in this tent. We work camp for Cal-Am Resorts, and they have a booth here. They're giving away 3 nights free at Sundance and at Fortuna. There are 2 RV parks that are located in Yuma. And so we are going to be talking to people today and handing out stuff, but I'm going to also go around and start checking out, I want to look at RV tools, different things that you can use in your rig while you're, if you're stuck somewhere or you need to make some modifications, whatever the case. There's all kinds of things here. I know there's this lifetime glue we're going to check out, and but that's not the only thing. There's all kinds of things. Some people want to know about some tires they've seen in the earlier video down at the end of this aisle here. So there's like little stores. And so there's going to be a lot of things that we're going to check out today while we're kind of manning the booth here too. All right, the show has not completely opened yet, so it's nice and quiet. Not too often that you get that, for sure. And so anyway, just kind of wandering around the floor. I'm looking for tools today that we can use to take care of our RV better. Well, this is the little store with the tires that we were talking about earlier. They actually have lots of things. This is Best Motorsports. We sell fun, so this is their shop, and they are actually located in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. So this is a pretty cool little booth here. This is showing how people pack their trailer in correctly, so they end up fishtailing down the road. And so they show how you're supposed to pack it. You're supposed to have more weight on the front, and this little hitch here actually has a weight built scale built into it, so you can kind of see where your weight distribution is. And then they also have a few different accessories here that, like if you need to pull somebody out, they've got these little pull attachments that you can hook to your hitch, and these are $40 at the show. And then the next thing they have is this little clam adapter that turns your 2-inch hitch into a 2 5/8 hitch, and it's $20 here at the show. So you can see this show special here. This is only good during the show, so you want to make sure and call them soon if you are interested in it.
This booth is Bad Dog Tools. The nice thing about these is they have a lifetime warranty on each one of the items that you purchase here. So they have a nibbler, they have the grinding wheels, cutting wheels. Everything has a lifetime warranty on it. And then here's some cleaning supplies that you can get. They have these nice long rods. Some things are just hard to find when you're not at the show is the problem. So here is their card, and then also here is some polishing supplies that is supposed to make your waxing job so much better and last for at least 6 months. And here is their card.
But don't glue both sides. And anyone who has an RV, this is your plastic. It's polyvinyl chloride coated in urethane. You can't glue this. If you feel it, it's coated in oil. That's one of the hardest things to glue. You can't glue it. Key to this, and this is an education for men. For the first time in your life, okay, less is better. Whatever you want to put down, put 50% less down and it'll work. This is 10 times thinner than water. Look at how little I put on, watch how much I overlap it. But you can glue this now or tomorrow morning. You've had it before as well, you know how good it is. Yeah, it's freaking awesome. But when you get it on your skin, your first reaction is to pull. True or false? Roll. It'll never hurt. Boom. I'm not sure. That's what my mother said the day I was born. I was born. Said, oh my God, what a beautiful boy.
So here is the Tire Minder booth. They have all the different Tire Minder products. They also have ViAir air pump. We love both of these products, and this guy is great support. That's one of the things we like about Tire Minder is he replaces our batteries every year for free, gives us new gaskets for them. If one's not working, he'll replace the sensor. So once you buy it, you're done. And this is a great place to get it.
One thing I like about these different shows is when they have all these booths that have all kinds of odds and ends. Like this one has lights, different lights you can put on your rig, different electrical connections over here. You don't find this everywhere, so when you come to these shows, then it's nice to be able to just look up a specific part that you might have. They have a whole inventory here of different things.
Here's another booth for RV LED lights and their contact information.
So if you have issues with backing up your rig, you can get one of these movers here, and it will back your rig up. You can do any kind of bumper pull clear up to this one for a fifth wheel, and it will back it into your different sites or garages and things like that. So anywhere from $700 up to $4,000. It's a video moving a fifth wheel.
You see at the base here, it's got two stabilizer legs that reach out.
Oh, okay.
And those are to the landing legs of the truck.
So with those stabilizer legs that going out from the unit, it stabilizes the fifth wheel, and they can move the fifth wheel in and out.
How are you doing today, sir?
So there's two different options here on the table. The one we've talked before about is from Proteng. The other option here is for tire blowout protection. This one actually has a like a donut type thing that's inside the tire, so when it blows, then you're riding on that.
I found two booths that have steering aids. This one here, Safety T+. We actually have this on our rig right now. And then the next one here is Steer Safe steering. It's a little different type of setup, just using springs.
We're looking at VW trailer hitches here. This is kind of out of our league. We don't typically deal with trailers too much, but I know some of you do have them. Bumper poles and fifth wheel connectors.
I found two more tire management systems that you might be interested in. One is from Truck Systems Technology. Theirs is, they say they've been in the trucking industry forever, and so they're more for professionals. They can do up to 22 wheels, so they have a pretty good capacity, and they have a piece that actually can mount around your rim, which I really like that idea, so you don't have to mess around with the pressure caps. That's a little bit more expensive, and then on the other side of that, I found a little bit less expensive one from Innotech RV. This is a guy from Australia that designed this one. This monitor is fairly small. It's only a couple inches square, and it monitors a whole bunch of wheels at the same time, also with this pressure caps, just like the tire minder does. So this is two more options that you could look at here. Does your RV need a new roof or have some issues with it? It leaks or whatever? Then we can look at RV Seal here. This application is guaranteed for 10 years once they put it onto your roof. So that would take care of any of those leaks. So the last thing we have here is Shocker Hitch. So this has a little boot built into the actual hitch, so that as you're driving your truck, whether you're pulling your trailer or fifth wheel, when you stop or you're hitting bumps and the trailer moves up and down, or whatever, it kind of has a shock absorber there to make it so it doesn't jerk your truck around so much. So that's this last information that we have here on this one.
All right, well, that finishes our day here today, and we have been work camping. I've done some videos here and there, checking in the products that we could use for tools, safety features. We'll see how this all works out when we put get it all together, but hopefully what we've done here is something that's of value to you. Again, we're just trying to get all the different things together to make it a little bit better for you. You can see what's here at the show and things like that. So tomorrow we will be working on let's see, clubs and things like that. Just like, for example, 1,000 Trails and Escapees and FMCA and membership type things. Yep, that's what we'll be talking about tomorrow. So thanks for watching. We appreciate the support. Remember, give us a thumbs up and comment. Let us know what you want us to check out while we're here, and we'll just catch you tomorrow. So take care.